Imagine a world where humans have vanished, leaving behind the echoes of our existence. What would happen to the Earth? It's a fascinating thought experiment that reveals the fragility of our ecosystems and the resilience of nature. First, let's consider the immediate aftermath. Cities would fall silent. Skyscrapers, once bustling with life, would become overgrown with vines and moss. Without maintenance, buildings would crumble and roads would crack. Nature would reclaim its territory, and in just a few years, we'd see a dramatic transformation. Wildlife would flourish in urban areas, with deer wandering through empty streets and birds nesting in the rafters of abandoned buildings. As time goes on, the impact on the environment would be profound. Air quality would improve significantly without pollution from vehicles and factories. The skies would clear, and we'd witness a resurgence of wildlife. Species that have been pushed to the brink of extinction by human activity would begin to thrive again. Imagine the majestic return of wolves to the forests, or the resurgence of the once common passenger pigeon. Rivers and lakes would heal, their waters becoming clearer and teeming with fish. Without dams and industrial runoff, aquatic ecosystems would restore themselves, leading to a resurgence of biodiversity. Coral reefs, currently suffering from bleaching and pollution, would begin to recover, creating vibrant underwater ecosystems once more. But it's not just the natural world that would change. The absence of humans would lead to a significant drop in carbon emissions. Over decades, the planet would start to cool, reversing some of the damage caused by climate change. Forests would expand, absorbing carbon dioxide and creating a healthier atmosphere. In a few hundred years, we might see a world where the climate stabilizes, allowing ecosystems to thrive in ways we can only imagine today. However, it's not all a fairy tale. The disappearance of humans would also mean the loss of countless species that depend on us. Domestic animals like dogs and cats would struggle to survive without our care. Many crops would fail without cultivation, leading to a decline in agricultural biodiversity. The intricate web of life that we've woven with our presence would unravel, leaving some gaps that might never be filled. As we fast forward thousands of years, the remnants of our civilization would be buried beneath layers of earth. Archaeologists of the future, perhaps intelligent beings from another planet, might stumble upon our cities, puzzled by the artifacts of a species that once dominated the planet. They would find our technology, our art, and our architecture, trying to piece together the story of humanity. This thought experiment serves as a stark reminder of our impact on the planet. It highlights the importance of environmental awareness and the urgent need for sustainable practices. If we don't change our ways, we risk creating a future where nature thrives, but at the cost of our own existence. The question isn't just what happens if we disappear, it's what we can do right now to ensure that we coexist with the planet rather than against it. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow for us and for generations to come.